In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade US30 on Oanda. So the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your Oanda.com trading platform, and then you want to go to search symbols over here. You want to type in US30. And then here you'll see US30.pro. It says that over here you can just click on it, and then you'll be able to see it on your chart, and you can start trading it by clicking new order up top. You can go ahead and type in your volume, how much you'd like to actually get, and then your stop loss and take profit if that's something you'd like to do as well. You can add in a comment to your order too, if that's something you like. And of course, if you don't want to sell or buy by market, you can place a limit order or buy or sell stop over here as well. So after you're done, click on buy. And there we go, you've successfully actually initiated a trade of US30 on Oanda. Of course, you can go ahead and sell by market or by any of the other options as well, and that's pretty much how you do it. So that's pretty much that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.